welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to do a very interesting experiment. You guys must have learned in school about kinetic and potential energy. So there is a very common example about kinetic and potential energy which I can give you in form of this bag. When I pull this bag, it generates potential energy inside it, and when I release it, it just flies off. That explains us that while potential energy is generated and when it is released, it is converted into motion, which is kinetic energy. And that's what we are going to do in today's experiment. So without further ado, let's start the experiment. For this experiment, we'll first need a pair of jumbo craft sticks. These are available at your local craft store. I brought a pair of 40 to 50, and if you need more, you can buy more. And the second thing which you need is your very steady hands. So let's start. The first thing which I'll do is sort it into pairs. So I'll just divide it from here and I'll take these two. So I took the purple stick and the blue stick. So I will first arrange them in an X order. So it looks like an X. Then I'll grab the green stick and I'll just weave it underneath the purple stick. And after doing that, I'm gonna hold it on these 2 points. Don't just leave your hand after doing this, otherwise something peculiar will happen. Now I'll take the yellow stick and weave it on the purple stick again. Then I take the orange stick and insert it under the blue stick. So while doing this, you might need to adjust it a little bit. So be a bit patient and careful. While doing this, you'll need to use a carpet below this. So now I'll pick up the green stick and insert the red stick under this. So I'll repeat it again if you are not understood. First, we'll start with the purple stick. You have to be a bit patient. Okay. Okay. Now then I'll take the blue stick under the orange one. Then comes the green stick again. The yellow one. I had to do it slowly, otherwise it will just explode. So now this is the orange one. This is the red one. So guys, the pattern will look like this. So while you are interweaving one stick at a time, you should hold it, and while going on, it should look like this. This pattern is also known as the cobra weave pattern. And with the rest of the sticks left, I will join it more and then we'll see what happens. So guys, after doing the cobra weave pattern and all the rest of the candy sticks were remaining, I've made this long chain. So first I'll explain what is the main basis of this experiment. So while we were interweaving all the popsicle sticks, there is a particular pattern which is formed. So from here which we started was an X. Then we started interweaving inside all of the popsicle sticks. So what happens is that while we are interweaving, it gets held down by pressure, and because of the pressure, potential energy is generated in full popsicle sticks, and after that when I'll release it, we'll see what happens if the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So I will lift my finger Now, this huge popsicle stick chain reaction is going to happen. And when I release my finger, the potential energy will just release. Wow, that's amazing! It is converted into kinetic energy and thus it exploded. Thus, you'll have lot of fun in this experiment. Like the video. So guys, this was a quick and very interesting experiment. You can try this at home with all of your friends. And I would like to thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So guys, thank you. See you next time.